This is our first, I guess, growing season of this section where we're growing a bunch of veggies. We did a bunch of potatoes as our kind of our first crop, and we've trialled with a bunch of tomato. And what else did we do?
Lots of flowers.
Flowers and cucumbers. The deer came in and smashed them. The aphids came in and smashed them. We've had a pretty rough start, but we wanted to grow a few things for Chrissy time. And fortunately, we think the potatoes are ready to harvest. They might not be the biggest yield, and we'll find out shortly. But this video is just seeing what we can harvest from these two 12-meter strips that we've done this year, and we're struggling to maintain these two with all the grass coming in and the heat and the rain that we're getting at the moment. But we're going to get into it, pull out some potatoes, see what our victory looks like, and then cook something up for Christmas Eve lunch or dinner.
As long as I get a potato bake out of it.
A potato bake. We're aiming for a Christmas potato bake. All right.
Let's go.
Now, we did already pull some out because we wanted to make sure there was going to be something actually in the soil.
We didn't want to be embarrassed.
Okay.
Okay.
Get into it, girl.
Easy.
I'll grab the esky. Do you want to use the hori? Or is that better?
Oh, this will do. Right, you use the hori.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. Wow. I don't think I've gotten potatoes this big ever. They've always just been pretty small.
Look at that guy.
Yeah, it's got a little needle. Yeah. Double.
Oh, wow. Hold on. Let me get that camera on that.
This is my dream. Wow. Yeah, I'd say they're definitely ready to go. A couple more weeks and they would have been rotted, I reckon. A couple of rains.
Oh.
Nothing came out, that's alright.
Isn't it weird how it gets that little knob there?
Yeah.
Like, what is that? Is that, that's like a potato on a potato?
Yeah.
Look, it's got it there too.
Wow.
I don't know what that's all about.
Oh, I don't know if this one got any. Oh no, we got rotted. Look how juicy that looks though. I'll leave it in there, I guess.
Elaine, what we did is we put the potatoes right down on the clay, and then, let me see that potato again.
Perfect.
Bring it up here. Yeah.
That's so perfect.
You could sell those, I reckon. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just like,
Maybe.
I want to eat them.
But we put the potatoes like right down on the clay pan.
Yes.
And then we built compost all the way up with the potatoes, and these are even mounded as well. All right, I'm gonna do some harvesting right here, so I'll get the camera on that. Do it with my hori. Try not to rip it out with my hori. See how the couch grass just like takes over the veggie bed? It's a never-ending story.
Look at that. Which one? I'm so happy. This little one's
That's a nice one. But
another one. Wow.
see how they get that weird?
Yeah, they've just got a bit of a head.
They got a bit of a do.
Yeah. Funny shaped beetle.
There you go. Oh gosh, some of them are right down there, hey?
Yeah, I'm like.
Oh, is that the seed potato?
Yeah, that is. It is. Wow.
So that's patient 0 right there.
Stunning.
It's 30 6 degrees
Yeah.
today. And my phone just overheated. So if the quality is different, it's because Keira's got a better phone than me. Yeah. All right, let's do it. This big boy. All right. I don't want to.
Come on, potatoes. Come on, guys. Good sign.
That's a good one.
Oh.
I reckon there's more in there.
Yeah.
Let me get in there. Have a look around. Oh yeah.
That possibly is a seed potato. It looks really dark.
It's hard though.
Oh, okay.
It's like.
Yeah, but it must be the variety that's a bit darker. Something.
That's clay. That's a potato. Hey, this is working.
I'm so happy. we definitely had aphids. They never flowered. These potatoes never flowered before they died. So we're a bit worried. But happy with any result.
I'm happy with the result, yeah.
Yes.
So this is our other crop of potato, which is we're probably, what, another 2 months?
A month, I reckon. Another 4 weeks. We need to put some more soil and it's flowering. So all good signs.
Our tomatoes that got eaten by a deer.
Unfortunately, they look a little...
They're coming back. Look at that one. And there's another. We could probably harvest that here because that will ripen.
I'd just eat it. Very warm.
Warm. Really?
Tomato sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's get in there and get these cucumbers booked.
All right. Any chance to show off my cool little pocket knife? How cool is that? Sorry.
That's okay.
Cucumbers. 1.
The big one's on the outside, my love.
Oh my goodness.
Anything to show off my cucumbers.
My big cucumber. Look at that. That's my hand. That's crazy. Is that going to taste good or is it going to be like...
I think in a cucumber salad real thin, it'll be nice.
We didn't harvest these ones in time.
Unfortunately, we'll leave them to the animals. That plant's done.
I'll give them to the... Oh, this one's for you, Chicky.
Is it going to be warm?
Yeah, go for it.
We've got to squat under here. Oh God, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Very warm,
It's good though.
but very yummy.
Mm.
Yeah.
All right, back to kiwis. Oh yeah. Oh, another one. Beauty.
Nice.
Oh. Someone got to that one.
Mm-hmm. Whoops.
Looks like little gnaw marks. That's a shame.
Bugger. There's a... We'll see if you can spot the big one. It's like the perfect shade of green.
Oh, how's that? We're getting into the cucumber business. Yeah.
The only thing we can grow.
Ah, it's beautiful, Chicky. That's snapdragon, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Okay, so we're back from the land. It's a couple days later. We didn't wash our potato harvest because they saw better like this, believe it or not, covered in dirt. And this is our potato harvest. This is all we got out of maybe 2 meters. But for us, and especially for me, this is improvement. So I'm super excited. I'm just super excited to eat them, to be honest. But Christmas is only a couple days away, so I'm going to prepare my myself and make a creamy scalloped potatoes. Was going to do a potato bake, but then after scrolling Pinterest for a little bit and seeing all these scalloped potato recipes, where instead of the potatoes being layered, they're being like stacked vertically, I was like, more crispiness on a potato. So that's the goal. So I have my little recipe. I'm not one to print out a recipe normally because I like a video. But we'll see how we go. I've made so many potato bakes before, so we should be okay. I'm assuming they're sort of similar. So yeah, let's get to it. I need to wash these. Okay, so they're all washed. Absolutely gorgeous color. I'm so proud of those. I'm a little bit worried about these darker ones. I'm not sure if they're potentially rotting or if they're still good, so we'll have to cut into them. But otherwise, looks gorgeous, and I'm praying this is enough. This is gonna take me forever. I'm gonna just quickly cut these flowers off, even though they're gorgeous, just so we get more time and more time. More time with time. Ooh. Oh God, smells so good. I'll probably sprinkle chives on it as well, but we'll do that fresh. This is going to be a lot of cheese. Okay, I've managed to make the white sauce without injuring myself, but I did have to put a little bit of milk in there. Recipe does not call for it, but I called for it, so. Now for the fun bit, which is assembling. This is quite hot, so I'm not sure if I should let it cool down first. I'm feeling impatient though, so let's go. Oops, I'm gonna get a tongs and stir this through. not too bad, I'd say. Pretty perfect amount. Thank you, land. Thank you, potatoes.
Have you seen the flower on this hibiscus?
No?
How nice that is. How cool is
Oh
that?
my god.
I'll put it in there. I don't think I've ever seen a white.
We haven't had a white one. I'm shocked.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Little orange phalanges.
Drop the soil in it.
Yum. I didn't wash them very well, so. Okay.
Success?
Success.
Gourmet.
Just gonna do. It stays nice and hydrated. That's our potatoes.
Yeah, that is our
It's
potatoes.
all our potatoes, and we've still got leftover potatoes.
Wow, we did it. Well,
We did it.
I did half of it.
I did it. You just put the potatoes in the ground.
Hey, Keira.
Well done.
Okay, we need to show
Nothing
the
like
whole
some
space.
photos. Everyone gets
Yeah.
all prawns.
I decided to do something different, but it looks exactly the same as a potato bake, so